must have done the paper analysis. Okay, what is the paper analysis? May attempt last year was little tough. November attempt, the latest November was much easier if you see. Always good to do a paper analysis. But May attempt is again a good news because you have amendments of 20-30 marks and you have your select case studies, like everything coming straight away from there. But you should actually go through both the attempts to get an idea what the ICA is trying to do. The standard of questions was very high in May attempt. So because you're writing exam in May, so you should also keep an eye on the previous May attempt and see what the examiner is trying to do. And November attempt paper was much easier than May. So both the things are there. You would never know you will get a tough paper or easy paper. Let's wait and watch. Okay. So to start off with, this page is like very helpful for you. The page 2 here, the tax rates. So we all know that nothing changed when it comes to basic exemption limit, but the surcharge has changed for an individual. They have made it 15%, and we also knew the reason behind it because they abolished wealth tax. So they're planning to collect more taxes from the high net worth individuals. So that's the reason the surcharge has been increased to 15%. So that is one important change. Okay, so you circle that 15% for an individual. Okay, but now there are certain important things which has changed when it comes to companies. And because you're doing taxation of companies, it's a very important topic for you. So what we want to do is, because see, I don't want you to go back home and again waste your time on amendments. So please let us write few points. Whatever is needed, we will write it down. So when it comes to individual, we said only change is the surcharge being made 15%, and one more small change is the rebate. Rebate under section 87A has been increased to 5,000. So let's say if you are solving a problem for an individual, then the rebate is going to be 5,000. But the condition is the same. Who is eligible for a rebate? A resident individual whose income doesn't exceed 5 lakhs. They haven't changed anything when it comes to 5 lakhs, but the figure has been increased from 2 to 5,000. And how do you calculate rebate? Income tax liability or 5,000 rupees, whichever is lower is the rebate. So this is one important thing. Now coming to the companies, yes, we have to study this carefully. So we know there is certain things which got changed, especially for a domestic company. Okay, domestic company, they have come up with something called small company. And for small company, they are saying the total turnover or the gross receipts in 14-15, okay, is up to 5 crores. Then they are just taking 29% tax from them. Okay, and there is others. That means your turnover is more than 5 crores. If it is more than 5 crores, then the same 30%. Okay, so now when you are solving taxation of companies, you have to be a little careful. Just keep an eye on the turnover and see if it is 5 crores. And one new section has come, 115BA, which is talking about 25%. And we know this is all for a domestic company. If it is a foreign company, nothing changed. It is the same 40%. Okay, now we have to give a look at this 115BA. Okay, 115BA is talking about 25%, but this is, taxman here, the IT department is actually telling, I can give you 25, but you need to give back certain things for me. What is that? Have you heard about this 115BA? Give and take policy it is. What do you mean by give and take policy? Take 25% tax, but you have to return tax incentives. Okay, so please write a note on this 115BA. Put a heading 115BA. See, and if you've seen the supplementary material, it was also having certain amendments which are applicable from AY 18-19. But we are only interested in PY 16-17, AY 17-18. So this section, they are clearly saying it is AY 17-18. Okay, so that's the reason we are just writing a note on this. And please write down 115 BA. 115 BA. You need to satisfy 3 conditions to get this 25%. And first of all, this 25% is not automatic. Okay, what do you mean by not automatic? You have to apply for it. You have to opt for it. How do you opt it? Before the due date of filing return, you have to mention that you want this section. Because when you're wanting this section, you're giving back certain incentives, tax incentives which you will enjoy. So therefore it is something which has to be opted and it is not automatic. Whereas this 29% is for small companies which is automatic. Whenever your turnover is not more than 5 crores, automatically the rate has become 29%. So you don't end up putting this until and unless the question is clearly guiding you that they have opted for the section, right? So please write down condition number 1. Keywords. We will just write keywords. The company should be set up, use the word set up after 1st March 2016. 1st March 2016. Okay, so this is the cutoff that they have given. And you must be aware that this Finance Act 2016 entire drive was behind encouraging startup companies. So this tax rate is also for them, in deductions as a section for them, in capital gains as a section for them. So there is a connection everywhere. So the first link is this. The second condition, write down second condition. Engaged in the business of manufacturing. Engaged in the business of manufacturing. So again, taxman really encourages manufacturers. He is not really encouraging the service industry. So this is for manufacturers. Third one has not claimed benefits under section, has not claimed benefits under section 10AA. 10AA, we remember this? This is a deduction given for units in SEZ for their exports. You should be exporting, right? 10AA, comma, additional depreciation, comma, investment allowance, etc. Okay, now you don't have to write, but listen to the list. They are saying when you want to enjoy this 25% rate, we will not give you scientific research. If you remember section 35, weighted deduction of 100%, 200%, companies were getting 200% for their in-house research. No 35, 32 is not there for you, 32 AC. When your plant and machine is more than 25 crores, that is not there. 32 AD, going to AP, Telangana, Bihar, that's not there. And then ABA, that's saving by tea, rubber, coffee industry. Okay, those sections, and your AC, the charity related sections like 35 AC, AD, Triple C and CCD. What was that? Social Economic Welfare Project, agricultural extension projects and skill development projects where you were doing some kind of charity and you were getting a deduction in that series. All that we are not going to give you. So this is a big list where the taxman is denying the tax incentives. Okay, and they are also saying, last one, any deduction, one more condition, any deduction in respect of, income in chapter 6A. Any deduction in respect of income in chapter 6A. Okay, what is this 6A? That AT, IB, IC, ID, that series of sections also we will not give it to you. But this is not applicable on ATJJAA. JJAA is for creating employment. So you will still get that deduction. You will also get 25% rate. That income related tax holiday for 5 years, tax holiday for 10 years, that is not there for you. And last line, option is to be exercised. Option is to be exercised. Option is to be exercised before the due date of ROI. before the due date of ROI. Option is to be exercised before the due date of ROI.